Hair wig review that I'm super excited about because it's a unit from our good friends over there at Nadula Hair. If you're new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you aren't new to my channel, you know that Nadula is one of my most favorite human hair wig manufacturers. I'll try to remember to insert some footage here. I just filmed a Nadula wig that I was in love with. I said, well, since we're on a winning streak with Nadula, let me go ahead and film this one. I can't even remember what's in this package, and I hadn't opened it yet because you guys know I like to do everything on camera with you guys. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging. So speaking of packaging, I love this new packaging that Nadula has come up with. The whole bowling bag looks like a little toiletry bag, because not only are these little bags good for wig storage, they are so good for storing just toiletries anywhere. I have one that I use my makeup brushes in, like the dirty and clean one, so I really do love this new packaging that Nadula uses. So not only did it ship with that bag, it came in this magnetic box. Oh, stuff is falling out. Now that I've picked up everything that is falling out, they include some really nice extras as well. Of course, the standard silk storage bag. Where is the name? Oh, there we go. The silk storage case or bag. 2 edge bands with their branding on it. Some press-on nails. And how many? Ooh. 3 packs of HD wig caps. And they're different shades, which is cool, such a refresher. Okay, so they give you 1 darker pack and 2 of the lighter packs. So that's really nice. All right, so this wig, I'm gonna put everything down in the description box in case I missed something, because I'm gonna just be reading directly from this packaging. I can tell you already that I love this wig. I told y'all, I don't know if it's because I'm hitting 40. I have really fallen in love with taking these wigs and pinning them up. So I know I'm going to love this wig because I can do that with this wig. This is a 24-inch 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, and what I can appreciate about Nadula is when they say pre-everything, they mean pre-everything. Pre-curled in some instances, pre-plucked, everything has been done for you. So I really can appreciate them for that. Let's take it out of this plastic packaging and look at the cap construction. I forgot to mention that they also include some of these pre-everything tabs, and at this point, unless you are new to my channel, you know that I use these on all of my wigs because it helps make the wig feel so secure on my head. Okay, so I forgot to mention that. Now let's look at this wig. I see this magic little pink roller, and I remember what I ordered. I have reviewed this wig by Nadula before, but this one is a little different in the inches. That's how much I liked the last one. Y'all, this is it. This is it. This is the one. So the roller, it comes with that little roller, or the wig comes with that little roller there, because this is a bang unit. I am going to love this so much. All right, so the cap construction on this one is different from the old Nadula one that I filmed. So of course it comes with the bangs. You see those pre-everything tabs they already have there. Let's look at the rest of the cap construction. So you get that 13x4 parting space, and that's what's different from this one and the last one that I filmed by Nadula. It also has that adjustable glueless band. You get a comb in the back, some adjustable straps, and look at how stretchy this cap is. I fell in love with this wig the last time, and so once I saw they had this 13x4 parting space, I said, yep, let's try it out. When they say everything is pre-done for you, they even put the roller in there for you. I mean, everything has literally been done, pre-done for you. So this wig is going to automatically check my 3 boxes of what I'm always looking for in a wig. Affordable, yes, super affordable. The second box is beginner friendliness, because I can't comb hair. This is a true pre-everything, so check. The last box is always quality, and we'll wait and talk about it at the end. but I know it's gonna be awesome quality. I'm gonna take out this roller, put this wig on my head, put the pre-everything tabs on there, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Not breathe your air. You only can rescue me. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go to heaven. Cherish the day, won't go astray. Cherish the day, won't go astray. Cherish the day, won't go astray. Won't be afraid, won't catch me running. Ruling the way that I move. You take my hand. You show me how deep love can be. This is my prayer. Cherish the day, won't go astray. Won't be afraid, won't catch me running. Cherish the day, won't go astray. Won't be afraid, won't run away. Cherish the
Now, y'all know I never really style a wig. Like, I'm gonna give it to you right out of the pack. That should show you how much I absolutely love, love, love this wig by Nadula. I'm pretty sure I probably have like 3 or 4 of these now. That's how much I love them. But I'm pretty sure I showed you footage of it down, probably like half up, half down, and then all of this all up. As I'm hitting 40, I found my dark lip liner getting stronger and me pulling this hair up becoming a norm. It's like I'm trying to force myself to have hot flashes. I'm like, I want to be auntie so bad. And I am aunt to one, but that's what this look gives me. So I absolutely love this wig by Nadula so much that I am going to ask them, hey, could you make me this wig in like blonde, like an ash blonde I would love. So you might be looking at this and saying, you could just cut those bangs into any wig and do it. No, I can't. I didn't mean to hit you, but no, I can't. I can't comb hair. So when Nadula said pre-everything, everything is really pre-everything. Like it's been the bangs been cut, pre-curl, all of that. Okay, Nadula hit this one out of the park. And y'all probably tired of seeing it, but just be prepared. You're going to see it so much, especially as I lead up to April, to my birthday. I absolutely love this one. If you can't tell, in the comments, talk to me. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit because I absolutely love it. This has been my most favorite wig of 2025. You might be saying, girl, shut up. We in January. But we've gotten some trash. But not from Nadula. In the comments, talk to me, tell what your thoughts are, because I love it so much, y'all. Oh, and it fits comfortably on my head as well. I don't know if I mentioned that. But if it didn't, if it was tight, I would take it tight. You know I'm going to do it. Imagine me in Piggly Wiggly. I'm cute though, huh? Like that chalk outline. So yes, not a wig. I put all the info, because I know that was probably a horrible outro. I'll put all the info about this wig down in the description box. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Not breathe your air. You only can rest